Here's another bit of a test for the KONis. One of the vehicles is broken down, so we've had to use the Navara to tow the trailer out. There we go. The ride still looks pretty good. There's a lot of weight over that rear axle. The steps up to the Washington winch. So this steam engine was brought in the 20s to haul logs up the hill. So it used this cable system high up on these posts. And there's the pulley system over there to drag the trees up from down the hill, then load them on the trucks below. Pretty impressive for the 20s. So we've just passed through Hotham, doing 20 kilometres an hour, and it's pretty much about 20-foot visibility, I'd say. 9 degrees outside. Yeah. Trent just radioed back and said it's worth putting your hazards on. When the T-van in front of me gets going, it gets about, I don't know, 50 metres ahead, I can hardly see it. So it's very low visibility up here on the top of Hotham. Well, here we are at Devil's Hollow, and guess what? More rain. The Navara went brilliantly. KONi's worked a treat even when towing the caravan as well, which is always a bonus, or the camper trailer. It's a caravan of sorts. So yeah, so far so good, no issues. Tomorrow we're going to go up Blue Rag, so we'll see how the KONi's handle that. We're going to do Blue Rag, so everyone's going to unhitch, everyone with trailers going to unhitch, and we're going to head up the hill. Probably going to be out most of the day running around, so hopefully I get some good footage. Hopefully a good test for the KONis as well. So you guys right? Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so I just had a brilliant experience. A lot of fun. The downhill descent control failed. Brakes went solid hard and the car took off down the hill. Managed to turn the descent control off, get the handbrake on and turn it off into a washout and get the car stuck in a washout. So it's on the video, but I just found out from other people that on greasy downhills, the downhill descent in these Navaras, the ABS takes over. I had nothing but a solid pedal, and yeah, bit of a scary experience, but luckily we got to the bottom safely and all's well.
glad to see you.
Yes, much prefer uphills. Right, very sharp, rocky, bumpy sort of ascent here. All the wheels seem to keep in traction. Got a bit of a washout coming up here. That's it. That's over it. Nice one. Pretty smooth, really, and I can just feel the temperature now getting a bit cooler. Where's the track? There it is. Very cool. Very cool. Not a bad way to be spending your Monday. Stick to the left, apparently, they say. Stick to the left. Kind of what I'm going to do then. Stick to the left. I should probably talk shock absorbers after all the adventure we've had today. So everyone else in the TV groups unhitched their vans and they're driving without the van, so they're probably experiencing a lot less weight. I've still got the same weight in my car that I've had for the whole trip, other than my swag that I left back at the campsite, but really it's still pretty much got the same weight in there. So look, the shocks are going great. The suspension's brilliant. It's yeah, I guess some of the sharp rocks you feel a bit of a bump, but we've got some washouts. I'll just sort of dance over this washout a little bit quick. It's just lush, beautiful. This is a very rocky road. You probably can't see it too well from where I've got the camera set up. I'll play with the camera angle later and see if I can get a better look, but it's just a lot of sort of shaly rock, sharp rocks, a little bit of sort of smooth mud off to the side, and it's just nice, just nice.